Hello guys, if you want to start driving with manual transmission in Forza Horizon 6, then the first thing you need to do is enable it in the settings. So pause the game, open up the settings menu and then head over to difficulty. In here, you'll find the shifting option where you can choose between automatic, manual or manual with clutch. Now if you just want to use normal manual transmission, then the controls are pretty simple. To shift up, you need to press B on Xbox, circle on PlayStation or E on your keyboard, and if you want to shift down then it is X on Xbox, square on PlayStation or Q on your keyboard. As for actually driving with manual, it mostly comes down to timing your gear changes correctly. Usually once your RPM gets close to the red line, that is when you want to shift up into the next gear. At first, manual driving can feel a little confusing, especially if you have only used automatic before. That is why I recommend practicing in free roam first instead of jumping straight into races. And honestly, using a slower car makes learning way easier. With slower cars, you have more time to react, more time to think about your gear changes, and you can focus more on learning the gearbox itself instead of trying to control a super fast car. While driving around the city, you will naturally need to keep shifting up and down more often, especially when turning corners or slowing down at intersections, and that is actually good practice because during races you constantly need to downshift before corners and then upshift again while accelerating out of them. Usually shifting up is the easy part. The harder thing to learn is downshifting properly at the correct moment, but after a little bit of practice it starts feeling natural. So I would definitely recommend starting with slower C class or B class cars, especially in beginner races early in the game. That gives you enough time to get comfortable with the controls before moving to faster cars later. Now if you want even more realism, then you can also switch over to manual with clutch in the same difficulty settings menu. The shifting buttons stay exactly the same, but now you also need to use the clutch button whenever you change gears. By default, the clutch is left bumper on Xbox, L1 on PlayStation and shift on keyboard. So while shifting gears, you need to press the clutch button, change gear and also briefly let go of acceleration. If you keep holding the gas while shifting, the car will just keep revving instead of shifting smoothly. So the process becomes let go of the throttle slightly, press the clutch, change gear and then accelerate again. Manual with clutch definitely takes more practice compared to regular manual. Even people who already use manual transmission sometimes need time to get used to the clutch properly. Now one thing that can help a lot is changing your control layout. If you go into controls and open the input mapping settings, you can actually move the clutch button somewhere more comfortable. For example, some players like putting the clutch on A or Y on Xbox because those buttons are closer to the shifting controls, making it easier to press everything quickly. If you do change the clutch button though, remember to remap the handbrake as well because the game will not automatically swap it for you. And honestly, the best way to improve is just by driving around and practicing. Start slowly, practice your timing, get comfortable with shifting, and then slowly move on to faster cars and harder races once it starts feeling natural. After enough practice, manual driving becomes much more fun and it also gives you way more control over the car. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel.